Hello everyone, my name is Mathan. I am founder of Sealog. Sealog is a last mile delivery platform which provides delivery services by using bicycle and cargo bikes. So far, Sealog has supported nearly around 90,000 km of delivery services by saving around 1300 kilo of carbon emission. That to say that 98% of Sealog delivery services are green, and we are the pioneers to be the green delivery services located in Indonesia. And our customers are mainly into retail industries, B2B industries, as well as to e-commerce platforms. Myself being into this industry almost for 10 years into transportation and warehousing in supporting bigger companies like Unilever, Mondelez as well as to Pizza Hut. And apart from that, we have been changed our delivery platforms to more or less to a total green solutions, and in which we want to be a net zero or a green delivery service provider in Indonesia, as we want to save the future towards 2030 of being the one of a replacement for every carbon emission vehicles. And why is it to be Sealog? Because we have our service that are based basically by using bicycle and a cargo bike. What do we see as a problem in Indonesia is there are nearly around 8 million delivery rider using motorcycle with creating nearly around 132 tons of carbon emission per day, and that is a bigger problem when we see a future ahead. And that is the reason we say that every vehicles that has to be changed into a electrical one. And how we are going to save this, how we are going to change this as a problem, or how we are going to change this as a solution, is by providing our three type of various solutions. One is a cargo bike which can go on a 100 to 120 kilometer of delivery service by using a single time charge. Apart from that, we also have our platform which also provides you to know your green measurement or green delivery, to know which area or whichever kilometers that your delivery happens are been happening by our bicycle. And apart from this one, these two solutions, we also have our green points, which efficiently makes our customer or our riders to be a part of the goal that to be a zero emission delivery. And this is one of our cargo bike which we have three types of cargo bike, that is from 250 watts, 750 watts and 1000 watts. And all these three bikes are being equipped with a lithium battery that can stand along with a charge of 7 to 8 hours of time. And we have nearly around 15 bikes which cover the area of Jakarta area with north, south and east, west, with connecting all the malls and all the deliveries for our customers. And each box has a capacity of nearly 160 liters, which is equal to 2 motorcycle or 3 motorcycle capacities, and it can also be a replacement of twice a delivery of a mini pickup van. And recently in Europe and in Western America, they have started using cargo bike for their delivery platforms. And when we look even into our platform as a mobile based one in Android, we also have like a specific kind of a delivery which is used only by bicycles. And in our customer platform, we have around 569 markets that have been registered with 569 registered products with 39 markets, which are basically a small scale industries we have been supporting for their deliveries. And when we see the rider app, anybody can become a rider. So we have three type of platforms in our technology. One is our rider app. Whoever wants to download our app and can become a rider over a night, and when he has a bicycle, he can deliver a product that comes along with the platform. And he can also know the green energy or the green points that he's been creating, and which he'll be rewarded in every end of the service. And when we talk about our team and our achievement, we have nearly covered every aspect of total green solution, that's equal to 99%. Every aspect we are a zero emission based delivery. And when we say our customers, since 2021, the growth of Sealog has been 10 times. That we started with one cargo bike since the year 2021 on January, and we have been covering with major industries starting with sports, retail, logistics, and then we also gone into fresh market, and we have a 10 times increase in the upcoming days as well. What we see from different customers and what do they see from us and what they see from our services is surprising, because when we started our services, we never know that we will be called upon by every single customer as a replacement for their fossil fuel based vehicles. And Indonesia today stands with 600 hectares of planting services, but still we want to stand up front in the carbon emission delivery, that carbon emission being saved as a delivery. When we look into the market, there's around 30 million transactions that's happening into a B2B marketplace. And we want to cover at least 1 million is our target market, which is going to be the total green solution. So when we see that e-commerce is going to be a bigger platform for us, and we are going to be a major role in being a replacement for every motorcycles. And there are three type of revenue streams when we see in our platform. And the revenue streams are, one is by cargo bike, which we use it as a hub and spoke model, and which we also be as a micro hub for every agri-techs. And on the other side, we also have our on-demand app where anybody can download our app, book a delivery service at any point of time, and then they can schedule it for their delivery. And beyond this one, we also have a surprising another one, which we have our sale of a cargo bike, which is 30% competitive when compared to the vehicles that are in Western. And when we look into the revenue model of us and the revenue status of us, we started with one bike with 1000 USD, and today we stand along with 7000 USD with just 10 bikes. And the number of bike deliveries that are happening is 20 times increasing in our platform, and we are very much glad to share it with you, because bicycles were before a hobby, but now it's been a replacement for every delivery in Indonesia, and it's happening. And what is the fund that we are looking for is, we are trying to raise nearly around 1 million USD to have increase of 235 bikes, not for new customers but for our existing customer in their expansion level for every warehouses that they have around Indonesia. We need nearly around 235 bikes with a technology increment of around 16 IT staffs, and also to support our growth. And throughout this presentation, if you all have any queries or questions, please feel free to ask us. Thank you. Have a great day.